Understanding Workshop Feedback, a guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English learning channel. Today, we're diving into a very interesting and practical topic: workshop feedback. This phrase is common in educational and professional settings, so understanding it can be really beneficial. Let's explore what it means and how it's used in real-life situations. Workshop refers to a meeting or a series of meetings where a group of people engage in intensive discussion or activity on a particular subject or project. It's a collaborative environment where learning, practicing, or producing something takes place. Feedback, on the other hand, is information or opinions about how well someone is doing a task, which is used as a basis for improvement. In our context, feedback is given to participants of a workshop. Combining these two words, workshop feedback refers to the constructive comments, suggestions, and evaluations given to participants of a workshop, aimed at improving their skills, knowledge, or work. Understanding why workshop feedback is valuable is crucial. It 1. Helps in skill improvement. Participants learn what they are doing well and where they need improvement. 2. Encourages open communication. It fosters a culture of sharing ideas and constructive criticism. 3. Aids personal and professional growth. Feedback is essential for learning and development. Giving effective feedback is an art. Here are some tips. 1. Be specific. Avoid vague comments. Be clear about what was good or needs improvement. 2. Be positive. Start with what was done well before moving on to areas of improvement. 3. Be constructive. Offer suggestions on how to improve, not just criticism. 4. Focus on the work, not the person. Personal comments can be discouraging. Receiving feedback can be challenging but is essential for growth. Here's how to do it effectively. 1. Listen actively. Pay attention to what is being said without interrupting. 2. Don't take it personally. Feedback is about your work, not about you as a person. 3. Ask questions. If something is not clear, ask for clarification. 4. Use it as a learning opportunity. Reflect on the feedback and use it to improve. I hope this video has shed light on the meaning and importance of workshop feedback. Remember, feedback, whether giving or receiving, is a key component in the learning process and professional development. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.